Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, speakers, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless LAN module, and display panel assembly. Removal: peel back the mylar that covers the DC-in cable. Remove the DC-in cable from the cradle and routing channel on the top cover. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the USB ZIF connector and disconnect the USB ribbon cable from the USB board. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the keyboard ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the motherboard. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the touchpad ZIF connector and disconnect the touchpad ribbon cable from the motherboard. Remove the 6 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the motherboard to the top cover. Carefully lift the right edge of the motherboard off of the alignment pins, slide the external connectors on the motherboard out from the cutouts in the top cover, and remove the motherboard. Note: before installing a motherboard, remove the following from the old motherboard and install on the new motherboard: DC-in cable, heatsink, USB board ribbon cable, memory shield. Reverse this procedure to install the motherboard. Important: after motherboard replacement, be sure to complete post-installation tasks as required that may include verifying functionality of the notebook, updating the BIOS, updating DMI and other settings.